Welcome, everyone, to another exciting episode of our podcast. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of database technology, focusing on a new project called Limbo. Now, you might be asking yourself, what exactly is Limbo? Well, let's unravel that together. Limbo is a work-in-progress OLTP database management system that aims to be compatible with SQLite. SQLite is that trusty database engine that many developers turn to for lightweight applications. What makes Limbo stand out is its design as an in-process engine, which means it can run directly in your application's memory, making it a great choice for performance-critical applications. So imagine you're developing an application that processes large amounts of data. You want speed, efficiency, and ease of integration. That's where Limbo swoops in. With asynchronous I/O support via something called I/O Uring, which I'll explain in a minute, Limbo promises faster data handling, which is crucial for applications needing real-time data manipulation. Now, if you're wondering how you'd get started with Limbo, it's pretty straightforward. You can install it using a simple command line snippet, just a quick curl command. Once installed, you jump into the SQL shell and can start creating, querying, and manipulating your database right away. For example, you can create a table named Users with a couple of entries featuring usernames like Alice and Bob. Simple, right? Now let's touch on its compatibility. Limbo is designed not only for C-based applications, but also has JavaScript/WebAssembly bindings, and there's even a work-in-progress Python interface coming down the pipeline. This opens up a variety of possibilities for developers across different platforms to leverage Limbo in their projects. But you may be thinking, how does Limbo stack up against other database solutions? Well, it's actually a nice fusion of research and practical application. It's noteworthy to mention that Limbo is different from another project you might have heard of called LibSQL. While LibSQL focuses more on production-grade features like encryption and replication, Limbo is more experimental, leaning towards seamless integration of async support into SQLite-compatible databases. This leads us to the bigger picture, what the researchers aim to achieve with Limbo. As discussed in their recent publications, the team behind Limbo is looking at innovative ways to combine serverless runtime with database design, which is incredibly exciting. It's these kinds of conversations that remind us how quickly technology can evolve. Now, as we wrap things up, it's clear that Limbo is still in its infancy phase, but it's definitely a project worth keeping an eye on. It's always thrilling to see new tools emerge in the tech landscape. They push boundaries and challenge established norms, don't you think? So, if you're a developer or just someone curious about technology, this could be a project to get involved with. The creators behind Limbo are open to contributions, welcoming anyone willing to join and help improve this innovative database system. Before we say goodbye, I'd love to hear your thoughts. Have you tried Limbo yet? What database challenges have you faced, and how do you see solutions like Limbo shaping the future of app development? Thanks for tuning in today, and as always, stay curious, listeners. Until next time.